Here we have an EKO 13-gallon trash can or step can. It has a stainless steel finger-proof material. You step on it, it opens. I like to put an air freshener in here. I don't have one right now, but it has an option for a lock and unlock button for your lid to stay on. If you have that on, your lid will not close. And then put that back on. It's a soft close. An awesome feature. Does not make noise. Has this bin that pulls out. You can easily take it out to the trash and empty it out. But we really like it. It's great and it's practical. Perfect size too.